In the inventory section, then settings, you will see the three main modules you will need to record items. We have the item settings for recording item names and details, unit settings for units of measurements like piece, box, or kilograms, and classification settings for item classifications or categories. If you want to sell an item even when you have zero balance, you can allow that feature per item by checking the sell or release without item quantity checkbox in the item settings. For your suppliers, you can record them in the supplier settings found in the purchase order section. Here you can record their names, TIN, contact information and persons, VAT type and rate, and beginning balance if they already have a balance to your company prior to using the system. We also have the salesman settings and customer settings found in the releasing section. These modules are just as the name implies. These modules will be linked to transactions to help track who is buying what, how much do they owe you, or who sold which items. Once you are finished setting up the system, you can now proceed to recording transactions.